Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm glad you're back to watch my videos. Now I'm going to show you how to make the best healing milk, and this milk is golden milk. The golden milk is the turmeric milk. I'm going to show you in a very short way how to make it, and you'll find the benefits in our video. We made a video about the benefits of golden milk. We are putting the link on the benefits of golden milk. This is very simple. You can use any milk that you have. I like using my buttermilk because it consists of fats and proteins, and you can use any other milk that you want. My buttermilk, you can see all these are fats. You see, all these are fats. I like it because the fats, I don't have to add any other fat like ghee. I'm going to put my milk in my saucepan. This is very thick milk, buttermilk. You can see, very thick. This is pure cream milk, that is buttermilk. I extracted it. You can check on the video how we made the buttermilk. I'm going to heat it in a very short moment, and then I'm going to show you how. This is a cup of milk. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to help the absorption of curcumin in the turmeric. Now I'm heating my milk. Okay, so it's so creamy. But if you don't like the buttermilk, kindly you can use any milk that you want. But as for me, I like buttermilk because it has less lactose. This is a cup of milk. I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric in a cup of milk. You can see it's golden. This is real golden milk. The best healing milk. Now that we put the turmeric, we have to put the black pepper. I'm just going to put just a little, like a 1/4 teaspoon to help the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. And I'm going to leave it to boil and cool it a bit. Now I'm going to put in my cup, ready to drink. Now my golden milk is ready, the best healing milk. I'm going to cool it a bit until it's warm, and then this is what I like doing to my golden milk. Now that I use buttermilk that has fats, this is what I like doing to my milk. You can see, to make it creamy. This is the best healing milk. This is an Ayurvedic milk that was used by the Asians to treat very many conditions, the health conditions and prevention of very many health conditions. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you for staying at Jackie Naturals. I love you so much with the love of Christ. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly please do so to help me grow this beautiful channel. And thank you. I hope you've enjoyed making golden milk, and I hope you're going to be making more of this in your homes.